Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily send Bitcoin using Cash App for the first time. So all you have to do is head over to Cash App and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. If you still doesn't have an existing account, first is create a new account. Then once you're logged into your account, at the bottom left corner of your screen, just click on the dollar icon. And from the money page, just click on Bitcoin, then click on the send button. And from here, just enter in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send. Then, of course, type in the name, hashtag, or address of the person or the account that you want to send the Bitcoin to. Then, once done, just click on next. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!